People are using AI like a search engine with better grammar. They type, write me an email, and wonder why the output sounds like it's written by a robot pretending to be a human. Here's the truth that nobody wants to hear. AI is not the problem. Your prompts are the problem. I've spent the last year building and testing and pressure tested AI prompts, writing research, strategy, data analysis, and decision making. And listen, I've boiled it down to 17 prompts, not 500 random prompts from some PDF that you'll never open. 17. Each one engineered to do a specific job at a level most people don't even know is possible. I'm going to prove it to you. Let's dive right into a demonstration on screen. Let me show you what 95% of the people do with AI right now. So someone types, write a blog about AI trends, and you know AI goes to it, does its magic. Boom, there's your blog. And it's like, you think it's an amazing blog, but when you share it, you realize no one's really reading it, no one's sharing it, because as the expression goes, garbage in, garbage out, precision in, precision out. And that's the difference between a casual user of AI and someone who's really an AI operator. And that's all in the prompts. And what I did for you, I created the AI Operators Toolkit. My background, I've been a Microsoft certified trainer, I've been a master novel instructor, I've been a certified ethical hacker, a certified digital forensics investigator, Cisco, a lot of experience in tech. And I took that experience and I really drilled down to find what I think is the 15 best prompts that's going to be a real game changer. So these are the 15 prompts here, categorized by writing, research and learning, prompt building, idea generation, organizing, and data analysis. And I dropped 2 bonus prompts, the decision matrix and the meeting prep. So let me give you an example how to use it. So like in this case, we want to have a rootless editor. So you just go down, everything is laid out for you, what it does, when to reach for this prompt. You just copy the prompt and you go back into ChatGPT or Claude and you paste it here. So like I paste it here, and this thing edits your blog. And look what it did. These were the key changes. It killed throat-clearing phrases, compressed redundant constructions, replaced weak verbs and passive structures. And what's the end result? Before we had 695 words, and now we use a rootless editor, and it's 564 words. We've reduced by 18.7%. Amazing, guys. And let's go back to the AI Operator Toolkit. So some of the tools here are really going to make an impact in how you use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. So we have a tone shifter, rewrites anything in a different voice. A clarity pass, it simplifies complex writing so anyone can understand it. A persuasion amplifier, a deep dive summarizer, the devil advocate. In fact, let's use this one right now. So you just scroll down, again, you look for it, very easy to use. Click on it, it's going to describe everything, you copy it. So let's say someone had an idea, like they were going to build a business, right? And so in this case, I used an idea, someone's going to build a business, right? And their business was, they're launching a $49 a month AI writing assistant SaaS for small businesses. And you know, when you have a business idea, you swear you're going to be a multi-millionaire. And all of your friends tell you, we are rich. They comment in the chat, we rich together. But when you run the devil's advocate, objection number 1, objection number 2, objection number 3, objection number 4, 5, 6, and then it goes for the kill shot. You spend 6 months grinding to 300 to 400 users. You burn through 72,000 in capital. And then Google, OpenAI, Shopify ships the same thing. You're out of business. So listen, this prompt can save you $100,000. So this toolkit, I'm going to drop this for you for free. I see a lot of people charging 250 US, 99 US for an AI operator's toolkit, and sometimes it's not even good. This toolkit is going to be a real game changer for you. Talking about dropping things for free, guys, we have a 3-day live seminar that's coming up. It's going to be a mind-blowing seminar. It's called the Prompt at Last AI Summit. Start or scale your AI business in 3 days. Learn, build, and earn. No coding, no confusion, no fluff. So it's May 6th, May 7th, May 9th. It's done virtually online. And we're going to be cooking for these 3 days. The AI shift is already on the way. We're not here to overwhelm you. And so you can launch your own one-person empire, finally be able to pursue your dreams, gain that competitive edge. So it's 3 days of insight and inspiration and innovation. Day 1 is going to be the AI awakening. Day 2 is going to be the AI money blueprint. And day 3 is going to be the autonomous AI revolution. Truly a $1 billion opportunity. This thing is stacked with value and it's 100% free. I'm going to be dropping the AI toolkit. I'll drop it in the description and you can take a look at the URL right here, aisummit.promptatlast.xyz. I'll also drop it in the description. But of course, you know, this thing is going to be booked out. So it's going to be on a first come, first serve basis. Grab your seat. I look forward to hanging out with you and seeing you on the inside in the Prompt at Last AI Summit. Listen, wishing you the best, people. Adios for now.